Hi everyone, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I entertain my toddler at home. My toddler is nearly 2 and we've been at home for a while now, and Jibril is not in nursery, so I'm always trying to find activities that I can entertain him with whilst we're at home. So with these ideas you can tweak them so that they fit perfectly with your toddler style of learning or what they're enjoying. They are simple, so I'm hoping that you find these ideas helpful and you're able to implement it at home today with your toddler.
During the week, I try and take Jibril out every single day, and normally the school runs is a perfect time to take him out. So much to see and to explore.
What's that? Car. Well done, that is a car. There's lots of cars around.
When we get closer to home, I will always remove him out the buggy and just let him walk around and explore.
Did you just see the bird? Are you ready? Come on.
Every single morning after the school run, we always have circle time. And circle time consists of us singing, dancing, doing some nursery rhymes, and playing with his toys.
Is that the one you want? Uh-oh. Book. Okay. Come and sit down.
The great way to entertain your toddler is reading. Reading books are so amazing for your toddlers. They get to develop some great language skills. He loves it when I read to him, and he will go and grab so many different books to just sit down so I can read it for him.
What's this one? Ball. Well done. Where's the cow? What's that one? Oh, that's a donkey. Oh. Bye.
Jibril has been showing interest about farm animals, so I've been letting him really explore with these farm animals, and playing with their toys is another great way to keep them entertained, having fun, and it's a great way to allow independent play too.
Wait a minute. What are you doing?
This is our tickling game. Jibril loves being tickled, and I always pull silly faces and pretend I don't know where he is, and I will tickle him, and he will love this. We will carry on playing this game for a good 10 minutes before he's tired, and he pretends to also try and tickle me, which is the cutest thing. So this is a traditional game that we used to play when we were younger in Gambia, so I still do it with the boys and they absolutely love it.
Tidy up time. Clean up. Clean up. We had some fun today. Go on. Now it's time to clean up and put everything away. Put it there. Put it there. Clean up. Clean up. We had some fun today. Yay!
Another great way to entertain your toddler is to allow them to do the tasks that they see you do on a daily. Bearing in mind that they're safe for them, let them just explore and help you out, and it's just a fun way to get involved and bond together. We have been enjoying pretend playing. We've been doing it so much recently. He loves feeding himself and feeding me and sharing his lovely cups of tea with me, which I don't mind. I love a good cup of tea.
Yummy. Yeah? Can I have some food, please? Give me some food. Thank you.
When I'm making dinner or lunch, I will always give Jibril something to play with. I will give him my pots and pans, and I'll give him some vegetables, and he will just spend his time just either peeling the onions or pretending to be cooking with the wooden spoon, and it's just a great way for him to just kind of explore in the kitchen, and I can just get things done. Let's talk about Bubbles. Bubbles never ever fail to entertain toddlers. It always works. We have dance parties every day. day. It just breaks up the day really nicely. He enjoys it. He will pick his music that he wants to listen to, and we will have a dance party. Especially weekends as a family, we love having dance parties. It's just a fun way to get your toddlers active. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found some great tips and ideas that you can implement at home with your toddler. I will also be putting a link down where I have some toys that I've recommended on the blog. You can have a look at that as well so that you can introduce these toys to your toddler. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that next time when I put a video out, you will be the first to know, ding ding ding, there has put a video up. I hope this video has helped, and I know you are doing a fantastic job, mama. So I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.